Welcome to round one of random LeetCode under an hour. Basically, I'm going to hit the random button on LeetCode, set myself up with a timer, and I have to see if I can solve it under an hour. Mostly we'll be doing the solutions in Python. Without further ado, let's get started. Again, there we go. Maximum spending after buying items. Okay, let's see this. Maximum spending off the bat. That seemed like DP to me, but let's start looking at doing a zero index m times n integer value matrix values, right? And values of m to the different items and m different shops. Okay. Each shop is n items, or the jth and ith item. So jth item in the ith shop is value ij. Sure. Just the items in the ith shop are sorted in non-increasing order of value. Okay. That's just decreasing, but it could be the same. Yeah. Should probably write that down. For shop I, items are stored in decreasing, or let's say less than equal to a less than equal to b order. A comma b. Yeah, pretty simple. Wait, is that right? In non-increasing. So that means it's the other way around. Yeah, it's a decreasing. So yeah, that checks out. I think I caught that. And the I stuff. So it's IJ. It's right here. I feel stupid. Yep. Okay. For all zeros in each day, that's an n minus 1, right? So each day you'd like to buy zero index single item from one of the shops. Okay, so the dth day you can. Oh, this is totally DP. On the dth day, okay. The options are probably find the max of these two, because maximum spending. Pick any shop I. Pick a shop. Buy the rightmost. Rightmost. Find the greatest index. Yeah, rightmost available item for the prices of value I times J times D. Oh, okay. So the day matters. All right, okay. Find the greatest index J. As the item J was never bought before. Index J, so J was never bought before. Okay, and buy it for the price of D. For the rightmost available item. I don't know what rightmost means here. Because imagine it, right? So there'd be I 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is here. 0, 2 is here. So I. So rightmost is just. Oh yeah, right means great. What means whatever this is, less than. Yeah, right is the cheapest. Rightmost available item J. So that's interesting. So that's basically by the cheapest for some reason, even though it's with maximum spending. We'll see. Such item J, start bought for. Why can't I zoom out? 0. Bought for. There we go. Buy for, yeah, okay. All items are pairwise different. For example, if you buy item 0 from shop 1. Oh, is it the same item? Okay. Well, no, it says M times n different items. Let's go back here. I think we'll look at examples cleared up. Note that all items are pairwise different. For example, if you have item 0 from shop 1, you buy item 0 for any other shop. Yeah, so it's different items. Maximum amount that can be spent on buying all M times N products. Okay. So just intuitively. Okay, this is seeming like a DB problem for sure. Intuitively, it'd be like if this was if it wasn't for the fact that, wait, okay. Huh, wait. This values calculation is a little confusing to me. They're pairwise different. So what's stopping me from, oh, wait, no. Yeah. Okay, so my question is, why can't I just ignore the shops, just flatten the array, the matrix, and buy from least to greatest? Because least would be, because, yeah, buy from least to greatest because the day value is most important. Okay, wait. I guess this is not important. So essentially, the key question right now that I have to figure out is, why does the shop number matter? Why isn't it just a shop with M times N items? So, okay, values 852641973. Sure. Okay. Product 2, so 012 from shop 1, 01, yes, so 012. So this guy. Times 1 is 1. But yeah, is he just doing it in ascending order? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Wait, that's just ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the? How does shop matter? Hmm. Is it even DP? I think you just greedily do this. Because if, I guess the days, maybe, but it's always better to do, to buy item, because you have to buy all the items. Yeah, you have to buy all the items. So it's always better to buy a cheaper item earlier so that it's not taking up a spot. I don't even think it's DP. I think it's just greedy. Okay, so I don't know why my solution wouldn't work. So I'm just gonna test it. So here's essentially the walkthrough. I'm gonna combine. Let's say oh yeah, combine the, because it's already ordered. So I want to take advantage of that. Combine the different shops together into one big. Yeah, I don't have to worry about the values themselves because I'm just outputting the sum. So one big list sorted by price. Iterate through list and add the sums of the or add to the total day decreasing here, so I just saw the day times price. Seems correct to me. All right. So I have a matrix list, end. Okay, let's call it the master list. So there. For let's do. I might write a quick function just to make this clear. Def compare first elements. That will take in value, or yeah, take in values, but doesn't matter. I'll just global anyway. So essentially it'll be like for I in len values. It might be len values or len values is the number of lists, which is exactly what I want, yeah. Values min lm. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm adding, since I already know that it's sorted in decreasing order. Oh, whatever, I'll just reverse it. This is going to be descending. Sorry, I meant to say increasing whenever I did this. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to have, I'm going to say 3 lists. I'm going to take a min element from the first 3 and put that into the master list. And then I'll probably just pop the first one off. However, that doesn't mean I need to check if it exists. So if values I greater than 0, min call or row. Just to prevent confusion. Yeah. Min val equal to float infinity. There we go. Oh, I didn't start a timer. Okay, I'll finish this and then hopefully, well, whatever. That's unfortunate. We'll see what happens then. Yeah, float infinity. Yeah, values I 0 greater, or you want min, right? So less than. Wait, yeah, wait. That I don't know why I did that. It's less than min val. Min row to 0 or equal to I. There we go. We just do that. Blah blah. I want to return an int, which will be the min val, but I have to make sure I pop it. So once that's done, min row values min row dot pop 0. Characteristic spacing. All right, return min val. Is there a scenario in which it would be infinity? Yes, I think so. When everything's yeah, so I'll check if it's infinity when I get that. While compare first elements. There's no way this is the correct solution. Seems too easy. I'll try it, but I don't understand why this is wrong. Is oh, actually, that's all. Next or next price. Let's call it next price. Yeah. Next price equal to float infinity. Oh, that's the comparator. I forgot that one. Next price is not equal to float infinity. Master list dot append next price. Oh, excuse me. All right. What am I missing here? Right, I gotta call it again. Next price equal to for. I think there's a way you could. I don't really know exactly how to reverse it, so I'm just gonna just do range. I'm just gonna do for I in range and then reverse iterate. In range, it's what start, stop step, I think. So start is len master list -1. Stop would be 0. Is that inclusive? No, it's not. So let's do -1. Wait. Oh, I'm dumb. I should be doing it by using -1. So let's do range -1 to since it's effectively one index backwards, it should be -n. So negative len, that's gonna be +1 because it's not inclusive. +1 len master list negative len master list +1 negative. Yep. The step is -1. Boom. Master list divided by 1 the first day. Yeah. Time total spending equal to 0. Total spending. Oh, wait. Wait, hold up. I can make this so much easier on myself for debugging wise. Let's just do while master list. Or just for clarity's sake, len master list is greater than 0. Master list dot pop -1. I think pop takes -1. I think so. Ooh, that might be worth a Google, to be honest. Whatever, that's pop of the year is obviously the pop's first one. It's index, yeah. I guess pop n or n-1, but -1 sounds nicer. Okay. Total spending plus equals master list times pop 1 I is equal to 1 times I plus equals 1. Then return total spending. Seems right to me. Okay, I guess we just run it. Int is not iterable. Line 16. Len values. Huh? Oh, I range len values, so that's my fault. Range len values. I do that mistake anywhere else. If len values. Well, len mask was greater than 0. Yeah, that should be right. Yeah. Depends on print statements here. Okay. Getting somewhere. Okay. Oh, give me error. There you go. That's correct. 869. Yeah, 869. Oh, I didn't update min val, that's why. Min val is equal to. Oops. Hit Command S by reflex. Pop from NT list. Interesting. Oh, wait. If it's -1, that makes sense. Now this is interesting. All right. All right, let's do the math. I'm gonna say print this thing. I want to figure out what's going on. Actually, wait. Let's print master list because I suspect it's the fact that I'm popping incorrectly. Master list. That is not the correct order. It should be 97, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh my god, why am I doing mid-val? Sounds like you code too fast. Slow down. It's descending, so I always want to pick the max val. It's nice and slow. So, what all needs to be changed? Max val, float is negative. If len values I is greater than 0. If the list has more than one element. Correct. If values I... Okay, so this is going to be switched. Do max val. We'll make it greater than. Makes sense. And min row, max row. Max val. Correct. Max row. Max row. Max val. Alright. Now let's run it, see what happens. I need to look at time constraints, to be honest. M is 10. Oh, that 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 checks out. Hmm. Interesting. Let's get it to print something. I think I believe in infinite loop over optimization right now. Might be, yeah, you can see. Output limit, yep, it's infinite loop. 9, 8, 9, 7, 9, 6, 9, 5, 9, 4, 9, 3, 9, 2, 9, 1. Oh, I didn't check for float, negative infinity. There we go. God damn. Huh. Really? I'm still in disbelief. I don't believe it. I'm just okay. Let's see. Oh, did I check for a 0? Yeah, it has to be at least one item. Yeah. Um. I should guess I should test as a test case. How do I increase? How do I add a test case to this? Whatever. It'll pop up when I hit something anyway. If I was actually testing the code, I would test for. Damn! I finished it. Okay. I guess it was that easy. Well, day one or round one successful. Great job.